So, hi guys. Today we have the very beautiful and gorgeous Sunaina with us, and coming online today to answer some of your questions which we have received. So, I'll just begin by asking her some basic questions, like during the lockdown, what she's all doing and how is her routine being done right now. So, hi Sunaina, how are you first of all?
Hi, I'm great. Hi to all you guys who are going to be watching this, and I hope you are safe in your houses, and I hope you are following all the precautions. And I just hope this little chat manages to get you all a little happy and excited and positive.
Correct. So, Sunaina, like we were discussing before also the interview. So, how did you come about in this acting career, and what were your early days like? Like, if you can just
Right,
explain a bit about all that.
right. So actually, uh, when I was a child, जब मैं छोटी थी, तो तभी
Correct.
I got picked up for an aerial act. Which
Okay.
was directed by director Kundan Shah ji.
Okay.
So that was my first break. उन्होंने कभी हाँ कभी ना direct किया था. So that's
Correct.
how it started. That's how I got the chaska of being on set and being in front of the camera. And from then on, then I continued my studies. मुझे gap नहीं लेना था. And then again, uh, destiny had it for me. मेरे college में I was in Michibai. So Michibai में usually सारे casting directors and all of them usually keep
Correct.
coming. So that's where I got picked up for a few ads. And from ads, then it went to music videos, and then music videos say I did a few South movies, Kannada I did, and then yeah, my first TV show happened, Santan. So it started Bachpan se. Then I took a little gap, but Miji Bai mein actually, literally by chance, I was picked up by a casting director जो वहाँ पे थे. That's how
Okay.
it started.
Superb. Superb. So, like, how do you prepare for yourself? Like, if you're getting a character or something, how do you prepare yourself? Do you like go and study about that character, their mannerism or something, or do you watch somebody?
So actually for an actor, usually ये मेरा pattern है.
Correct.
I take a little from everything. Like
Okay.
कभी कभी ऐसे characters होते हैं that we've never come across. You know,
Correct.
कभी कोई psychotic हो सकता है, and you always don't have access to go and meet someone like that. You know, it could be a
True.
little dangerous also if you
True.
meet someone like that. So
True.
थोड़ा बहुत reading. Sometimes you read, sometimes you observe people, and हर एक इंसान का ना, like in general in my normal life also, when I'm an observer. So there are few things that I pick up from people. There are few things that I feel,
Okay.
अगर मैं ऐसी होती तो, how would I react? So every character of mine has a little bit of me, like the
Okay.
true me. थोड़ा बहुत मेरी असलियत हर character में होती है. So like we say that we all have our shit, but I don't really like to go very deep into preparing, because क्या होता है set पे sometimes you get a lot of most of the times you get some really good techniques from your director, and when you're over prepared, then you won't be open to understanding. So a mix of both, but I'm not someone who goes into isolation and
Got it.
वो सब नहीं कर
So
पाती हूँ. So
proper method acting, what we say that people usually do that go into
I'm
isolation.
not in the character, so I understand the character. एक पूरा background मैं बना देती हूँ, like a graph
Correct.
के character क्यों ऐसा है, कहाँ से आया है, इसका बचपन क्या होगा.
The
But
backstory basically.
yeah, but I don't really stress a lot about it, because I feel that eventually you're an actor. You have to switch on and switch off too. Yeah.
Okay. So my next question is, it's basically a twofold question that which one character which was the most interesting or which was the most fun you had playing, and the second question is what was the most challenging character which you played, which was like you it challenged you to your limits in terms of acting also in terms of your ability also.
So both का answer एक ही है actually. Uh, I've always found it very easy to emote in emotional characters, but
Okay.
funny characters I usually find difficult, because me as a person I'm very emotional. लेकिन and it's more difficult people laugh. So the last show that I did, Belan Wali Bahu, was surprisingly, because अगर आप show देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा अरे इतना fun है, इतने जल्दी, इतने फटाफट हो गया होगा, you know. But it was emotionally and physically very exhausting as an actor, because to keep jumping here and there and the energy of the character, and you know, for example, personally, if you're having a bad day, to come on set and always act mad, you know, to make people laugh was difficult for me. So Shalini Belan Wali Bahu was one of my craziest characters till date. Yeah.
Fun character. And the most challenging one?
Challenging also, I said same. The answer is a lot of negative characters. I've done a lot of emotional characters also. But surprisingly, nothing was that challenging in terms of because you know, I feel that we all are you know, emotions बहुत आसानी से आते हैं, and especially Indian audience or audience all universally. It's easier to connect on an emotional level, but it's tougher to make someone laugh, because what may be funny to you may not be funny to someone else.
Correct.
So to be Shalini, to be crazy, and to sometimes have a bad day personally, and come on set and forget everything and jump from here to there and go mad was challenging.
Great. And like you correctly said, Indian audiences do relate to real life situations or something which is emotional or close to them, and something which they have experienced.
She was crazy.
So, is there any actor in the Indian film industry or abroad or somewhere you look up to or you aspire, like I like his or her acting skills, or I look up to something?
Right. So, really, I'm very fond of Leonardo DiCaprio.
Okay.
I think he's superb. Like,
True.
if you see The Wolf of the Wall Street,
Correct.
One of my favorite movies also. I like Will Smith. Leonardo, I can say there is someone who is so, you know, when you see him acting, you get goosebumps. You feel that shit, ये scene कैसे किया होगा? Like The Wolf of the Wall Street, so many scenes that he did. I was in awe. Like, I was like, as an actor, that scares me. Okay, you know, if I had to do something like that, to do something so fabulously well, and to be a little crazy in the head, you know, to pull it off. So I think he there, and यहाँ पे of course, so I'm a diehard Shah Rukh fan, and SRK is my all-time favorite. So yeah, I like Shah Rukh Khan and Amitabh Bachchan ji, of course, and yeah, but it's my dream to work with Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay. Which is your all-time favorite Hollywood movie and a Bollywood movie, if you could name? That like you could watch it over and over again.
Bollywood, there's so many SRK movies, like the Sudhir Wale Dulhania. These are my favorite. I'm a true filmy, so that way, yeah. And Hollywood, I really like Wolf of the Wall Street. So these kind of films that really, you know, motivate you to, you know, step up your game. Other kind of films that I like, but Bollywood, I'm being a little biased because everything's about Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah. Okay. And any favorite actresses?
Actresses over here, there's so many actually. So Madhuri Dixit is my all-time favorite here. I think one of the reasons for coming in this profession was her for me, because you know, एक होता है ना हर इंसान, हर एक actress जो somewhere or the other, she's etched in our minds. You know, जब हम अपने dialogues भी बोलते हैं और acting also, she's etched in our minds. So Madhuri ji, and abroad I like Scarlett Johansson, and so many of them there, yeah. But here, of course, the reason why I feel I can't be as, like, no one can be as flawless and pretty as Madhuri, even when she's crying or even when she's angry or whatever. Oh.
Okay. So now coming to a bit personal things, like what do you like to do in your free time, like as a hobby or something which you like to do it as a skill also, or as to do time pass also? Like what is the best you like to do?
So the thing is, I really like to work out. So,
Okay.
sometimes I'm not getting the time, you know, not getting an opportunity opportunity, obviously, to go for a jog or something like that. That is what I like doing. And so basically going for a jog or just listening to music, and these are things that I normally, but I love watching films. So that is something that I like too. And I can't really do cooking, yeah, because cooking is something that I do once in a while when I really, but I'm a good cook. So
Okay.
whenever it's more because of when I'm passionate about something, I'll do it well, but not like an everyday thing. So yeah, so I can say working out or playing a sport, and I love playing badminton. So something like that.
All
Love
the
to.
outdoor activities you like to do rather than being inside. So now, because of the lockdown situation, since you are not able to go out to do workout or do outdoor activities, how do you do? What is your daily routine like during a typical day? Right.
तो सरप्राइजिंगली मैंने ये सोचा नहीं था फर्स्ट आई थॉट दैट क्या करूंगी बट
हाँ,
अभी ऐसा लगता है कि कब टाइम मिलेगा सो आई
correct.
एम थ्रू आउट द डे एज सून एज आई गेट अप फर्स्ट आई क्लीन अप माय हाउस
Okay.
बिकॉज पार्ट टाइम झाड़ू पोछा वाला टुडे आई मीन
True.
एवरी डे
Yes.
लॉकडाउन
Yes.
really value all these people, with my heart. I really value these guys, yeah, who do these small jobs according to us, but actually who end up being such a big part of our lives. Today,
Correct.
all of us realize their true importance. So yeah, so getting back to I clean up my house and then I work out for an hour every day. So since obviously I'm not able to go down, I use my own body weight and I have my own workout routine, like 3 to 4 sets of everything that I do. So एक
Okay.
घंटा उसमें जाता है, take it easy. Then obviously I have my hot water in the morning. I have my honey with almond and all of that in the morning. And after working out, I go for a bath, and then I am out of that. It's almost like afternoon till then,
Correct.
and then I work on new concepts because
Okay.
that is my brain is something that cannot stay still. So constantly I'm either writing something, either thinking about something, some videos I want to show, or some. So I started getting myself shot at home also in terms of photography
Okay.
because besides being an actor, we also influence our audience.
True.
उनके लिए content बनाना, उन्हें entertain करना. I think I was just born to entertain. That's what I feel. Even now, I keep thinking, how do I make people laugh?
Correct.
Everyone's thinking about the same thing. So I try to keep putting up videos where I make people laugh, and I genuinely want to entertain people. So I make my videos, I do all of that. Then I take a little bit of break in the evening, and then night again, yeah, post 6 o'clock, we start thinking of what for dinner and all. So yeah, day is pretty hectic. I barely watch Netflix in the night for like an hour or so maximum.
Correct.
Days even now.
That's nice. The people usually are watching sitcoms or catching up on old movies. Like my parents are watching Ramayana and Mahabharat on DD, which is coming.
Everyone's parents are.
Correct.
Everyone. The whole
Correct.
world is right now doing that. But honestly, I can't sit in one place. Like I've got a spring in me, so that that's a problem. But somewhere, I just feel that because I've mentally prepared my mind that no, this is how the
Correct.
routine is going to be, and I'm not waiting for something to happen. Like I'm waiting, of course, for things to get better. We all are, but
Correct.
I'm not like till then. I'm not going to do anything about it. So
True.
I still
No
want
point
to
in worrying about it, right? It is not in anybody's hand to go and solve
exactly.
it.
Might as well just make the best of whatever we can right now. Instead of waiting for that one day when then days will be longer.
True. True. So, like, I wanted to ask, are you a foodie in general? Like, do you go out and try to eat street food, or you are very health conscious about that part, or how is it as a person?
I would like to lie.
Okay.
I'm very health conscious. No, I'm food. I crave desserts and I love the glow in my eyes when I talk about food. Yeah, I love not exactly street food, but I love eating food and I love experimenting with
Good food.
cuisine. It could be Indian, Mughlai, Chinese, Thai, Mexican. I love Mexican food, but I'm a total food. And cakes, dark chocolate cakes, and all of that is my. Don't ask me.
What is the first food you will have after the lockdown is over? The first thing
I think
you'll go out and have?
cake.
Cake.
You can make it home also, you
Correct.
know. But just an emotion of going out and having.
True.
So I want to have like a dark chocolate cake. So that is something that I'm going to relish. I may even get tears in my eyes when I'm having.
I think the most fun part is going to that cake shop and seeing so many cakes displayed, and that is only the most satisfying.
Yeah, the whole thing of your getting the permission to choose,
True.
and there is so much over there to see, and it's the vibe. I think more than that, I've realized the whole vibe of the surrounding. You're chilling, you're outside is what you miss more than the food.
So, if somebody wants to get into this acting field, or if somebody is a newbie coming fresh out of college, completing his or her studies, what would be your advice be to that person? Like how he or she can get into this field? What is the first thing or the one thing they should be having to get into this field?
Right.
What would be your advice?
So one thing for sure is they have to be persistent.
Okay.
Persistent is you really have to have that patience and be persistent.
Okay.
Because see, what my career graph is, or what has worked for me as an actor may or may not work for them. So there are single books when it comes to making it in this profession. But yes, there's a certain discipline that everyone follow, which makes sense because the more discipline, the more you work on yourself and all of that. And some person may get through in 2 auditions. Some people may take about 100 auditions to get through that. But also that eventually I feel that people think that this whole profession is only about glamour or
Correct.
a lot of things that they come across as कि नहीं भाई यहाँ पे तो it's all about wearing makeup and looking good and you're a star. Suddenly you have like 1,000 followers, lakhs of followers and all.
Correct.
Those perks come much later, but the real grind that goes behind the scenes and performing, really taking your craft seriously and having the discipline every single day of your life is something that because there are times that this profession won't even pay you,
True.
but you still go on and on with conviction, with that belief. There are times people will, it's very different compared to an office job. So
Correct.
you have to be really brave to be there and keep working hard. You can't think that I'm made now and it's you can't have that attitude laid down. So yeah, keep working on yourself.
Persistence is the key, basically.
Being positive, keep working on yourself. ऐसा कुछ stress नहीं है. Everyone is welcome. You don't need a degree to be here, but yeah, keep give your craft more importance and keep bettering yourself. So yeah.
Okay. So now one hypothetical question. Suppose like you're in your house for 24 hours and you don't have access to any of your electronic devices like mobile, TV or anything. So what is that one thing you will do to relax yourself? Or like
First, we already have a lockdown, and then we already have a lockdown,
yes, yes.
and then you're away also.
Based on that only we came up with this question that how would you like if there is no electronic devices which nowadays many people use, how would you do your time pass in like this situation? So what is that one thing you would like to do? And you can't sleep.
I would be cleaning up whatever I haven't cooked. So, so I'm obsessed with cleaning. I think I would do that.
Okay.
For me, the end point is that my brain has to be active and I have to be tired by the end of it. So I would do cleaning. I like dancing. I would dance and I would probably choreograph my own, my own set. Because I really like dancing. Not a lot of people know that because I don't put up a lot of dance videos. But I would probably do that. I like singing also. Okay. But yeah, doing my own set of choreography, cleaning up my room, and writing. Yeah, I mean that old school writing that we all have forgotten because I have so many thoughts. You can write a story, you can write a script, you can write a short film. So I would definitely. I think I'm good. I have enough things to be active, busy. Yeah.
So now just before parting, one message you would like to give to the viewers regarding the lockdown and anything in general you would like to say to your fans?
So guys, I just want to really tell you all that, you all have heard this before from everyone. So I'm not going to tell you all that it's all okay and all, but that we all know it will be for sure. But I think that whatever time we have now, I'm sure there are so many things that you always wanted to do. That we all are stuck in a rut. कि अभी तो office जाना ही है, अभी तो you have to earn money, that. But this is the time to reflect, to breathe, to think about what else you're going to do once this whole situation is over. And yes, there is stress, but there's some kind of happiness that you feel inside that, oh God, I survived this. We become stronger in this without even realizing. We've seen something that the past 200 years, I don't think people have really seen something like this. So I think all of us have become stronger. We've come close to yourself. Like we've become, I don't know how to put it, but I think there's a certain self-discovery that has happened. So I think those are the positive things that have happened. So let's stay on the positive. And let's not keep counting days. Let's, कब ये दिन निकल जाएंगे पता भी नहीं चलेगा. So we are there with each other, yeah. So we all are in this. So just stay happy, be positive, take good care of yourself. The most important thing is you take care of yourself, because if you're great, everyone around you is going to be safe. So yeah. And then stay happy.
So thank you, Sunaina, for your time, and thank you really for opening up and sharing your thoughts and your personal details. It was really fun talking to you and having this interview with you. So catch you soon. Bye bye.
Yes,
Take care.
bye. Stay safe. You too have fun.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
दिस इज सुनैना फौजदार और अब आप मुझसे मिल सकते हैं कलाकार.com पे. यस, किसी का बर्थडे हो, किसी की मैरिज एनिवर्सरी हो, किसी को शाउट आउट देना हो, या फिर किसी का एग्जाम हो, आप उन्हें विश करना चाहते हो, डोंट वरी, आई विल डू इट फॉर यू. मैं आपके लिए एक पर्सनलाइज्ड वीडियो मैसेज भेजूंगी, और तो और मैं आपके साथ वीडियो कॉल्स भी करूंगी. ऑल माई फैंस एंड फॉलोअर्स जिन्होंने इतने सारे साल मुझे इतना ज्यादा प्यार दिया, I will return it. Your wish will be granted by me. All you have to do is go to kalaकार.com and click on my profile. So, what are you waiting for? Go right now, click.